After cutting the cloth to cover, we will assemble it to make it ready to attach the body. Attached the upper part and the lower part. ½ inch allowance for sewing. Less 1/2 inch each side to get thinnest fit, because our cloth is stretchable. Always get the center to make it balance each side. And put a markings to make it easy to tap the attachment. Attach the cloth from the back side of the bust pad. Cut the adjusted 1/2 inch cloth. To make the cloth stable, stitch it to the machine. In the next video, let's make the body where this bust pad is going to be attached. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.